All right, so thank you for that. And so I'm going to go through a few changes that are made in the application in the past week. The first one here is an updated 404 page. So we've updated the copy on this page to from kind of the default application one to be a little bit more specific for SearchWorks. And similarly, we updated the default error page for SearchWorks, and this will actually link to the library status page that we talked about. Another change in the past week is we've added support, better support for articles. So previously we could only text, email, or print an article or a record found via Articles Plus. Now we can actually send to RefWorks, so I can automatically import this into my RefWorks account, and it'll save into my library, which is nice. Here it is. And we can also download this citation format in the RIS format. And so if I have like the Zotero plugin installed in my browser or like an EndNote plugin, this will automatically recognize the RIS format and it'll automatically import it into that plugin for me as well. Another update in the past week has been a change into the kind of syntax or understanding in which the OAC finding aid links are displayed. So here in current SearchWorks, we can see there's no finding aid link in the access panel here on the left-hand side. And now in stage, yet to be soon deployed, we'll see that the OAC finding aid link is now available for me to click on. Another bug fix done this week is remove this additional link text here. It's not really that great, and so the change here we can see has been modified to remove that text and show something a little bit easier to understand. And the final change done in the past week is adding more support for IIIF in SearchWorks. So we've added to the homepage here IIIF resources panel, and a user can click this here to get all the records that have IIIF support in them. And so this is being demoed locally because in our production index, we don't yet have these records indexed with the IIIF manifest URLs. But once they are, this will automatically be turned on in SearchWorks, and users can start accessing this. A couple things to note here is we can see the IIIF logo featured prominently in the search results. It gives me hover text about dragging. I can drag the icon to any IIIF viewer. And if I want more information about that, I can click this icon and it takes me to a page in the Stanford Library's web properties that give me more information about that. Once clicking through to the record, we can see the OEmbed viewer will come up and we can see that same IIIF logo that's drag and droppable with the same hover text and gives me the ability to interact with that or use that in a different IIIF viewer. So that's all we have as far as the application updates this week.
That looks great, Jack. Thank you so much for taking us through that. So that's the work that's happened this week. Again, a big thank you to the team. And we look forward to your comments either in this YouTube channel or you send me an email or in SearchWorks feedback itself. We'll be sending out a note when those features that Jack took us through are into production SearchWorks. We'll look forward to that coming in the next week or so. So thanks so much, and we will see you next week for the demo for Sprint 7.